guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I am calling all tea lovers to stop what they're doing and check this tea bag organizer out from TreeLen. If you're like me, you have boxes and boxes of teas in a little corner of your pantry, and I don't know about you, but it's always a pain for me to move all those boxes out of the way to get to that one type of tea that's all the way in the back. But now I don't have to worry about that anymore thanks to this organizer. It's made out of natural bamboo, so it's a nice and smooth finish. And it just looks really, really nice. I like the fact that it has a lid on it as well. It is a plastic lid, but honestly, I'd rather have that over glass because I don't have to be super careful with it. This lid is magnetic, so it's got two tiny little magnets on the lid, and then it's also got two magnets on the base. And yes, these magnets look pretty tiny, but let me tell you, they're very, very durable. So I'm gonna turn this organizer upside down, and it's always scary. Look at that, guys. The teas stay in place. So I was super impressed with the quality of this organizer. So it's got 10 compartments all together, but my favorite part about this is that these dividers are removable. So as you can see here, I've removed two of the dividers right here, so that way I can hold some of the bigger tea bags that I have, because each compartment can only hold a regular size tea bag. So as you can see, some of my bags are much larger than the traditional tea bags. So I love the fact that I can customize this organizer to fit just what I need. So now it's your turn. Get rid of all the different colored cardboard boxes in your kitchen and replace them with this organizer instead. And that's my point of view.